Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you so much for all your story responses on last week's story. My prayers and best wishes to everyone who's watching Sundays with Neelu. So, coming to this week's story's title is Love. So, once upon a time in an island, there lived all feelings. So, all feelings were living together on an island. So, there was happiness, there was sadness, there was vanity, there was love, there was everything on that island. So, suddenly, on a particular day, a storm set in, and there was a huge storm, indication of a huge storm coming in, and the island would sink very soon. So, this is what all the feelings understood. So, when they understood, what did they do? So, each feeling built a boat and started leaving the island. So, all the feelings, yeah, happiness, sadness, vanity, everything, all the feelings, richness, everything left the island. What stuck to the island? Only love. So love kept hanging around in the island, hoping that because it loved the island, the love loved the island so much that it kept waiting till the island almost sunk. So when the island was about to sink, then love realized that it needs to take a boat and get out. So love kept looking here and there, and one beautiful, rich boat was passing by, and that was Richness. So love waved and said, "Hey, Richness, can you please take me in your boat? I want to reach a dry land." So Richness immediately said, "Oh no, my boat is full of gold and silver and all that, and I don't have space for you. Sorry." And it said bye and it went away. Then love kept looking here and there. Then there was vanity which was going. Vanity was going at a very high speed, and the boat looked so beautiful. Yeah, it looked like a designer's outfit. So, as if it wore a designer's outfit, and the boat was going. And love waved, said, "Look," and said to vanity, "Look, the island is going to sink, and I need a boat. Can you please allow me to sit in your boat and I will come with you?" So vanity said that, "Oh no, you can't sit in my boat because you're wet, and I don't like, people who get wet and spoil my boat. So go away." So immediately love said, "Okay, fine." And love kept hanging, and the island kept, water kept seeping into the island. So then there was another boat which he saw, far off, which was, happiness. So love was shouting, "Hey, happiness, happiness, can you take me?" Happiness was not even bothered. Happiness was so happy in his own world that happiness went away. So then finally, someone elder came and said, "Hey, love, jump into my boat," and took love and left love on a dry land. Before love could overcome all the overwhelmed reactions of in his heart, by that time he was on a dry land and the elder left. So as love was thinking, who this must be? Who came and left me here on a dry land, saved my life? So then love looked at knowledge. Yeah. Love asked knowledge, "Who is it that left me here on a dry land?" So to that, knowledge wisely thought and said, "That is time." So love said, "Oh, is it time? But why would time leave me on a dry land? I don't even know. So who time is?" So then knowledge smiled and with lot of wisdom said that only time knows, the value of love. So there ends the story. So it was actually, I read this story many times, but it never appealed to me. But today, I don't know why, I loved this story when I read it. It is so beautiful. Only time will tell you who loves you and who don't. So while reading this, I remembered, of course, there are many, many good friends I have. So one of them, is my friend Tasneem. We were doing French classes together. And while doing these classes, I would go early in the morning at 8 o'clock for the class, and we both would enjoy the classes. And then after the classes, like 10:30, 11, we would roam around. There is a place called Kolaba in Bombay. So we would move around and we would go to various places. We would go to libraries, we would go to art museums, and we would see a lot of things. So one such day we went, and we were very hungry. We went into a restaurant, an Udupi restaurant, and we ordered for a masala dosa. and we were so hungry that we ordered for a paper masala dosa. So my friend said that, like, let's order two. You order one and I order one. So I said, no, I think we should first order one and we should see. So she said, no, let's order one each. So we called the waiter and told him, like, we need two paper masala dosas. So the waiter looked at both of us and he said, ma'am, first try one, eat and see. If that's okay, then only I'll get another one. So the moment he got that dosa that filled almost the entire table, it was a huge dosa. And for all those who don't know what is a dosa, it's a South Indian delicacy. So mostly eaten like a pancake, it's in the breakfast. So it is a huge one. And we both together couldn't finish that paper masala dosa. And then we laughed and laughed and laughed, and then we walked out of the restaurant, and we still remember how those days when we enjoyed eating all kinds of cuisines, and moving around and going to different libraries. French libraries were very rare, so we used to go to a particular library and read books for a while. So we remembered all that, and do you know, I never thought that we will continue meeting or we'll continue talking. Today, my friend is in Tanzania, she's in Africa. But when she came to Bombay, or whenever she comes to Bombay, she always makes it a point to get in touch with me. On one such day, both of us, me and my friend Tasneem, we walked around the entire area again. We revisited all those places which we missed, and we spent time together. So that's when I realized only time can tell you, what love is. So lasting relationships only are tested by time. Okay. So I would say my advice exactly what my experience, says that, do not jump into relationships. Take time. And if you really take time, then, you will experience love and time with time. Okay. So thank you so much for your kind attention, and I hope you like this story. It is not a story, but a story. And there was another story in the story. So I hope you like the story. I'll see you again only next Sunday, only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, please take care and do not eat cold stuff like me. And stay at home, wear a mask when you go out. Thank you so much. Bye.